In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to use the moving company scheduler spreadsheet. Use this spreadsheet to manage all your truck's weekly schedule and your client bookings. Let's begin by filling out the Crews tab with your moving company's details. Add your trucks under the crew groups, which will be useful later on for bookings and filters. Next, add your employees with their assigned truck and role. Finally, add or modify the job types according to your preferences. Next, we will add your company's bookings to the Jobs tab. Fill out the details for the moving job on this page to see it in the weekly schedule page. Specify the job type for commercial or residential jobs. Select from the list of trucks that you added in the previous section. Add the date and time of the job. Add the client's pickup and drop-off location. Add the travel time from the pickup to the drop-off location. Finally, add any important notes such as if an elevator booking is needed or if there's limited road access. On the Weekly Schedule tab, select any day of the week to see the full schedule for that week. Filter the schedule by the truck crew drop-down or clear the cell to see all trucks.